Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can do voice typing right here, or dictate right here in our Microsoft Word document. First, we want to come up here, click on the word home. We go all the way to the right, you notice the word dictate, right? I click right here, look a pointer, right? You notice the dictate or translate. When I click on dictate, anything that I said, it will appear on the screen. So I'm going to click on dictate. My name is John Brown. I live in the parish of Kingston in a small community called West. As you can see right here, right? Now, this is the only thing that I have to change. Let's say West, you just type that manually, like that. But if you notice everything else, notice and then I click right here and then I stop. Right, so definitely if I wanted to start it back again, I just come right here and click next line. How are you doing now? Yeah, come right here and stop it. Alright, so just one and two section they just have to change like that. If you pronounce it the right way, you don't have to do this. So this is very important again. Yes. So this is where you can actually use this particular dictate feature right here. You notice you have a setting right here when you click. If you notice right here, you can actually see what you already just do a while ago. All of that. From right here, you can actually close it. Just click and turn on the mic. Click and that actually turn off. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.